welcome back to my channel. কেমন আছো তোমরা সবাই? How you all guys doing? So today I'm gonna be talking about winter body care essentials part 1, and in part 2 I'm gonna cover something else. So in part 1 I'm going to cover body moisturizer recommendations. I mean, according to me, what mostly I like, or you may like that stuffs too. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first I'm gonna start with my least favorite items to my most favorite items. So yeah, so mostly they are cruelty free, and I think one item is not cruelty free, but yes, alright. So I'm gonna start with Mamaearth Vitamin C body lotion with vitamin C and honey. Yeah, this is it. So it says that it's a body lotion and it's supposed to moisturize our body, but according to me, this is not that moisturizing. Oh, what's this? Okay, nothing. It's not that moisturizing. It says that it's deep hydration, non-greasy formula with natural ingredients. Yeah, for the non-greasy formula I agree, but deep hydration, it's not that hydrating. When I bought this, I think I bought it 1 year back, so I think this will be enough for winter, but it's not. If you have driest skin, then I don't think this is gonna work for you. If you have just dry skin, you may use this stuff on February or on January months maybe, but for this December month, this is the most driest month of this year. Don't use this. Yeah, so I mostly use it. I have to finish this, so I mostly use this at night. At night I kind of wash my hands and legs with just normal water, and then I use this and I go to sleep. It's moisturizing for I think 4 to 5 hours, and then it's just not that hydrating. So yeah, this is my first recommendation. But if you wanna buy this, then buy it at your own risk. So yeah, and yeah, if you live into an AC or something, if you work in AC, then you might use this stuff at summer days, but for winter, Okay, so my next recommendation is again from Mamaearth. This is Mamaearth Cocoa Body Butter with coffee and cocoa. So here is it. This is also cruelty free, and I think the price was 600. Yeah, 600. But let me tell you this price. This is 400 and this is 600. But you can buy it almost 50% off from any other site. So yeah, let me show you the consistency. It's lotiony form, and it has just so mild citrusy smell. It's so mild, not that overpowering. So yeah, I like the smell because it's not that overpowering. And yeah, for this cocoa body butter, it has pretty much same claims like deep hydration, natural ingredients, blah blah blah, and it's slightly coffee in color. Slightly brownish, not whitish. This one was, that body lotion one was whitish, and this is slightly brownish, and it has some, it is thicker in consistency than the body lotion, Mamaearth body lotion, and it's just a slight bit it's just a little bit hydrating than the body lotion one, but not that hydrating. It's not enough for 24-hour moisturization. It might be moisturizing for 7 hours or 8 hours, but for 24 hours, no, it's a big no. My sister liked this stuff because she likes the smell. Yeah, I like the smell. I don't know, it has like some smell that I did a reaction in our chemistry lab. I just forget the ingredient, and it smells like this. What was it? I think it was a flame test. No, I just totally forget this. But yeah, if you wanna buy this or not, then just don't buy this, because there are more nourishing body butters and body lotions than these two. So yeah, don't buy this. So next I have a recommendation from Wow Skin Science. This is Wow Skin Science African raw African shea body butter, and honestly this is, I mean, good than the Mamaearth body lotion and body butters. I mean, yeah, this is good. So this is, the smell is so nice. So, and you can see I didn't finish this two stuffs, though I bought this 1 year back, and I bought this 1 year back too, but you know, I just, you know, saved this much because the smell is so good. I mean, I want to use this on special vacations. But yeah, this is not moisturizing for 24 hours. The smell is so good. I know the smell will go away within 30 minutes or 1 hour, and the fragrance won't last that long, but it's moisturizing, and it's, let me show you, it's so thick in consistency. I mean, it's super thick. You know, Mamaearth should work on their consistency too. It's super thick, and yeah, it's moisturizing, but not for 24 hours, maybe for, you know, 15 hours, or yeah, because after using this I still got, you know, dry legs, and I can see the white layer of dry legs on my white layer of dead skin type on my legs. So yeah, this is not ultimate moisturizing according to me. So if you want to buy this, then I think you need to use oil over this to lock the moisture. And yeah, this smell is good. I mean, you can use it in the months of like November or February or the last of January, but for winter, main winter, I don't think this is that moisturizing. So yeah, and I've tried two ranges from this body because I like the smell too much and I like the consistency. So I got this. This is Wow Skin Science Nargis body butter, and oh my god, after I bought this, I realized that I don't like flower fragrances and I don't like Nargis fragrance. I mean, it's so overpowering and it gives me headache. I just use this on my feet. I mean, if my feet feels dry, my god, it's so, and the consistency is same. Okay, I'm sure I left something. Okay, yeah, it's not coming, but it has some product left. Yeah, this is, so I am kind of, yeah, showing this to you, and this is the same consistency as the before one, but the fragrance is so overpowering and so irritating, and I don't like this fragrance, honestly. Yeah, so I tried that Wow Skin Science, that I think it is citrusy body butter or that orange body butter. I mean, basically that was orangish, and it has so much overpowering fragrance. I mean, so citrusy, so lemony, and so overpowering that I did not like this. I mean, the Mamaearth Vitamin C body lotion, the smell is not that overpowering, but with that stuff, I mean, that Wow orange one, this is just so bad. I mean, the fragrance is so bad, and the consistency is as same. You know, the Wow body butters, their consistency is same, but their just fragrance is different. So yeah, and yeah, same thing applies for these two. I mean, these three things too. I mean, they are moisturizing, but not enough moisturizing for the driest months of winter. Yeah, so next I have glycerines, and this is two cute little bottles of glycerin. I mean, you mostly use glycerin too. I mean, you take 3 or 4 drops of glycerin and then you use, I mean, 3 drops of water, mix them and apply it on your body. But honestly, I bought this for this purpose too, but I hardly use them because I don't like DIYs. I mean, it's so annoying and it's so time taking. I can't. I mean, I bought this, but you know, I use this in my body scrubs. I mean, I made my body scrub with Epsom salt. I will make a video soon about this product. I mean, this thing. Yeah. So I'll show you how I use them, but I don't use this like body moisturizer at winter. Okay. So next I have this. Okay, let me show you this. So next I have this Himalaya baby lotion. I'm sure you can see this. So it's Himalaya body lotion, free from parabens, minerals. Oh, the other stuff are free from parabens and minerals. And yeah, I don't think parabens are bad because they are using like a, to preserve the product. So I don't think it's bad. I mean, I won't mind parabens in my skincare or body care product. Yeah, it's totally safe, you know. Okay, so next I have this Himalaya body lotion, and it's good. I mean, I must say that it's more moisturizing than this one, 100 times better. So yeah, this is moisturizing, but you know, I don't use this on its own. I pair it up with this body oil. So it is plum, and this fragrance is so awesome. So it is plum body leave-in body oil in the fragrance Hawaiian Ramba. So yeah, this is it. And you know what, it is the mixture of various kinds of oil. I mean, it has no fancy ingredients like anything. I mean, it's just oil, the blend of 10 or 15 oils, just it. I initially thought that as it says it's a body oil, so I thought it's a really body oil, but you know, I don't think it's a body oil. I mean, it's so light and it just sits top on my skin and it doesn't get absorbed. I mean, yeah, it takes, you know, 10 to 15 minutes to get absorbed into my body. I mean, I'm not gonna wait for 10 to 15 minutes to let it absorb in my body. I mean, who does this? Everyone is busy, you know. I mean, I mostly watch anime after my shower, so I'm not gonna wait for 10 to 15 minutes to let it absorb in my body. No. So what I do, and this is the most I mean, the best thing that you can do too. So take like your, I think it's off. So take, okay, my hand is slippery. So yeah, take like this 2 pump of this product, and then use this amount of is dripping body oil, then mix it and use it wherever you want. So with this way, the oil, it doesn't, you know, get left a layer on your skin. It will absorb so quickly. And with this body lotion, I mean, yeah, you can use this like this. I mean, it's the utmost hydration that I ever get from any my moisturizer, or I mean body moisturizer or body butter. It's the best thing. So what you can do, that you can buy this body oil, or you can, you know, do it with any other oil, and then let me know that which oil was best for you. Yeah, so if you are using this oil, then use this with a body lotion or body butter, mix it up, and then use it on your body, and it will give you the best hydration ever you have ever felt in your life. So yeah, I think that's all. I mean, I don't have any other body moisturizer recommendations. So yeah, if you like this stuff, then any of the stuff what's wrong with me? Yeah, if you like any of the stuff, then let me know in the comment section. And if you have any query about any products, then let me know in the comment section too. And yeah, so that's all for today. If you like this video, then like this video, share this video with your friends and families, and with your friends who have the driest Sahara desert driest like skin. And yeah, till then, take care and bye bye.